The Epson PowerLite L690SU is a powerhouse short-throw laser projector designed for professional and educational environments. With an impressive 6,200 lumens, it produces bright, clear images even in well-lit rooms. This ensures presentations, lectures, or visuals remain sharp and readable without the need to dim the lights, which is a huge advantage for offices and classrooms alike. Color accuracy is one of the standout features thanks to the 3 LCD technology. Unlike single-chip projectors that can produce rainbow artifacts, this projector delivers consistent, vivid colors across the entire screen. Whites remain crisp and bright while colors are rendered naturally, providing a more lifelike and professional display. The WUXGA resolution, with 1920 by 1200 pixels, provides extra vertical space compared to standard 1080p, making it ideal for detailed spreadsheets, presentations, and graphics-heavy content. Every line of text is sharp, and images maintain clarity even when projected on a large screen. The short-throw design allows for large images to be projected from a minimal distance. A sizable screen can be created just a few feet away from the wall, which is perfect for rooms with limited space. There's no need for long cables or complicated setups, allowing for quick installation and flexibility in placement. This feature also helps reduce shadows or interference when people are moving around in front of the projector. Laser technology further enhances this projector's performance. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, the L690SU maintains consistent brightness over time and requires far less maintenance. The laser light source lasts for thousands of hours, saving on costly replacements. Instant on-off functionality ensures presentations or sessions can start immediately without waiting for the projector to warm up, which is essential in fast-paced environments. The projector offers advanced features for professional installations. Horizontal and vertical lens shift provides precise alignment without moving the unit physically, while edge blending and multi-projector setups allow for expansive or complex visual arrangements. These capabilities make the projector suitable for large venues, immersive displays, or high-end AV systems. Connectivity is comprehensive, supporting HDMI, HD-Base-T, and other standard AV inputs. This ensures compatibility with laptops, media players, and existing AV infrastructure. Additionally, the cooling system operates quietly, preventing distracting fan noise during presentations, meetings, or extended viewing sessions. Build quality and reliability are top priorities. Epson is known for producing durable devices, and the L690SU reflects that reputation. It's robust, well-constructed, and capable of performing consistently under daily, heavy use. Combined with its high brightness, accurate color reproduction, and flexible short-throw design, this projector is a smart investment for any professional or educational setting. The Epson PowerLite L690SU is a complete solution for anyone needing a high-brightness, high-quality short-throw projector. Its combination of WUXGA resolution, 3 LCD color technology, long-lasting laser light source, and versatile installation options make it an excellent choice for offices, classrooms, and professional AV setups. If interested in purchasing the Epson PowerLite L690SU 6,200 lumen short-throw WUXGA 3 LCD laser projector, check the link in the description. It delivers powerful visuals, long-term reliability, and professional-grade performance in one package.